Why do professionals constantly seek out courses to advance their skills? It's simple. In the fast-paced world of today, keeping up with the latest trends and innovations is paramount. And that's where professional courses come into play. They provide the opportunity to stay ahead of the curve, equipped with the most current knowledge and skills. In the realm of online learning platforms, there's a myriad to choose from. However, today we're going to delve into one that's particularly intriguing: the Fiverr Learn platform. Fiverr Learn stands toe-to-toe with other online learning platforms such as Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare. But what sets Fiverr Learn apart? It's the emphasis on industry-specific knowledge tailored to the professional needs of the learners. Unlike other platforms where courses can be broad and general, Fiverr Learn focuses on providing specialized knowledge taught by industry experts. Fiverr Learn is not a subscription-based platform. This means participants only pay for the courses they want to take, with no monthly fees. It's an approach that puts power back into the hands of the learner, providing flexibility and freedom. Let's not forget the course offerings. From marketing to graphic design and even Facebook advertising, Fiverr Learn offers a wide range of courses that are in line with the demands of the modern professional landscape. Now onto the value and effectiveness of the program. Testimonials from professionals who have taken courses on Fiverr Learn highlight its ability to deliver on its promise. These testimonials indicate a high level of satisfaction, further reinforcing the effectiveness of Fiverr Learn's approach to professional development. In summary, Fiverr Learn is a platform that's worth considering for professionals seeking to upskill. With its industry-specific courses, pay-per-course model, and high level of satisfaction from past participants, it's clear that Fiverr Learn has carved a unique niche for itself in the world of online learning platforms. That's all for today. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stay ahead of the curve.